Hi guys, welcome to Byte TV. I'm your embroidery assistant Alan. In this video, I will show you how to assemble the stand of the vision. Okay, before we start up, we need to prepare some accessories and tools. First, you can find your number 4 box, and then you will find there are some wheels, some legs, and the pads, and also the screws. Here we need to use a wrench. You can find the wrench from the toolbox. Okay, let's start to assemble the stand. First, we can stand the 2 main frames. Here you must make sure the side with the square patch should be up. Next, I will install the support rod with the 2 main frames. Here, you also need to pay attention. This side with the square patch should be outside, and in the meantime, it should be up. Find the screw from the back and then connect. You can manually return it. Okay, then you can find the second screw and then insert it. Then we will operate in the other side. Here I need to remind of you, all of the screw, you can just tighten it manually and do not tighten well, because we still need to use a wrench to make the fix finally. Next, we are keep to install the second support rod. Now we will keep to install the third support rod. Here you need to pay attention. This side with the square patch should be outside and be up. You can turn it like this. Now install the last support rod. Now it's time to use a wrench to tighten all the screws. And then we keep use the long side to tighten the screw. Okay, now you can use the short side of the wrench to make all the 4 screws tighten. Okay, let's do it. make sure they are tight and well. Okay, now the stand has been assembled. So next, we will turn the stand upside down and install the support legs. Okay, let's do it. Before we install the support legs and the wheels, we can use a wrench to check again for the full screw again. Now we are going to install the support leg. And first, you can screw the nut to the bottle. Okay, then you can install, turn it, to the end. Okay. Next, we'll install the universal wheel. Before installation, first you can screw the nut to the bottle. And then you can break the wheel like this. Okay, now you can install it. You just turn it to the end. Okay, now the support legs and universal wheels have all been assembled, so we can keep turning the stand upside and down. Okay, next we'll install the pad. Here, we need to use a screw. You need to connect the washer to the screw. And here, the smooth side should be upside. Then you can fix the pad with the screw. Turn the screw. Here, I need to remind you, you do not need to tighten well now, because you can still have the space to adjust. Okay, with the same operation, you can keep to install the rest pads. Okay, for now, we almost finished the assembly of the stand. So in the next, you need to confirm where will you use the vision. So before we move the stand to the location we still need to make some prepare work. Okay, now you can see you cannot move the stand because all of the wheels are braked. So if you want to move the stand to the location you need to release the brakes on every wheel one by one. Okay, now you can easy to move the stand. Okay, now you can move the stand to the place you want. Okay, once you confirm the location, then you need to break the wheels one by one. So that the stand will not move. Then we need to rotate the support leg until it will reach the ground. Same operation, one by one. Next is the most important part. We need to put the machine head on the stand. But before we do that, we still need to install the support leg under the machine head. Before you install the leg, we need to screw the nut to the bottom of the screw, like this. Okay, now let's install the leg. Turn the leg until the end. Okay. Okay, now it's time to put the machine head on the stand. You need to make sure all the supported legs should match the 4 pads. And if you do not have a forklift, you can ask for help from your friends. And here you need to pay attention. When you raise up the machine head, you can only carry from the bottle. You cannot hold this part. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now let's check with all the 4 supported legs are all inside of their pads. If all of them has no problem, then you can use a wrench to tighten the screw under the panel. Make sure all of the screws are tightened well. You can keep to use the short side to tighten again. Okay, now finished. Okay, now the vision has been set up. So next, we need to install the table. Now, we can put the table on the stand as the storage space. Okay, now let's do the last step. Raise up the thread stand. First, we use the scissors to cut the tapes. Then we take out the support rods and keep to cut the tapes. First, we need to remove the screw on the support rods. And take out. Next, you can raise up the thread stand and then install the support rod. Turn it. Then put the thread stand on the rod. Here I need to remind of you, there is a screw inside. We can use a wrench and lose it so that the thread stand can drop down. Same operation on the other side. You can use a wrench to tighten the screw. Tighten the other side. Okay. Last step, we need to fix the screw. And then we use a wrench to tighten the screw. Okay, that's all for today's video on how to assemble the stand of the Vision. If you like our videos, please subscribe and share our channel. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.